Here's how to assemble and install your new dual intake dust box. Step 1. Remove and lay out all of your components. Step 2. Using the screws provided, attach the 2 side panels to the front panel. Do not tighten your screws entirely for each step until everything is complete. Note that your side access window is installed on the hinge side of your front panel. Step 3. Attach the bottom panel and then the back panel in the same manner. Now you can tighten your screws. Step 4. Attach the round hinge brackets, ensuring that the round portion is leaning towards the door open. Keep the screws loose to help with aligning the door in the next step. Step 5. Using the door pivot bolts and 2 lock nuts, install the door to the front panel using the provided hex key and wrench. Once it's installed, tighten your hinge screws. Step 6. Attach both sides of your dust port together, then attach the dust port to the dust box. Be sure to orient the 2-inch hole upward and the 4-inch hole downward. Step 7. Attach the wire plate and the air hose plates to the back of the dust box. Alternatively, if you are installing the hose adapter kit, you can attach the hose inserts instead of the plates. Step 8. If you are using the JessEm Master Lift 2 with the side crank handle, you will need to remove the solid plate, allowing you access to the open plate below. Step 9. Take your 2 mounting brackets and flip your router table upside down. Install the brackets using the included drill bit and stop collar, along with the instructions indicating the measurements between each mounting location. Leave these screws loose until the dust box is mounted to the brackets. Our new router tables come with pre-drilled holes to make this process seamless. Step 10. Finally, mount your dust box to the mounting brackets and tighten everything down. Note, if your router lift is not yet installed, then install it now before attaching the dust box. If it's already installed, then you're ready to go. Bonus tip. If you're using our PowerTech SR router motor, then you can attach your hoses last to complete your build. This entire setup is the ultimate efficient and dust-free solution for your router table. To learn more, go to JessEm.com and continue to take your woodworking skills to the next level.